May we take our seats. We can only be remembered, and today we are gathered to honor. Hallelujah. I was just wondering when I'll be called home. I have a testimony that people can see behind me. I want to invite to us to do the next item, prayers for the community to dance. I will show you one of his dancing steps. If the band will give me his... As we proceed to the graveside,